that has been the paradox which has faced us all through this whole process. On the one hand and on the other hand, it's like a paradox. You know, that's what even the teachings of Jesus was in the world. It says, you know, you're to be in the world, but not of it. So you know you're trapped here in this hologram of controls by, you know, control matrices that are governing your life. You have to eat, you have to drink, you have to work, you have to pay your bills, you have to do the things that are required of your body to keep your body in good condition, right? And to keep your body sustained. And, you know, whatever you're going to do here, maybe have a family, whatever. If you have a family, you've got other responsibilities. You know, you're limited in what you can do in your ascension process, unless you say to yourself, I can do both at the moment. So, and you can. You can go to Apple. You can learn the computer programming, which will be very, very good for you, by the way, because you might find that it would open up later on into a way that you can express your knowledge. So you're gaining knowledge in your spiritual realm, and you might want to be able to put it out into different systems on the computer and internet or whatever's going out there. And if you've got that technology, it's a great advantage to you. Yes, it's a worldly thing, but it can actually convey knowledge and information into a world where people can pick it up and perceive it. You can still continue with your ascension process, knowing full well that this world's not true, knowing full well that you're participating in something that's not going to maybe perpetuate, you know, in the end, in the whole run of things. And you can still say, look, I can use it for a tool at the moment or later on, and whatever. So you can still be happy and joyous in your process, as long as you are in the alignment, what we call the realignment mission. You know, we're here to realign and to draw down into our anatomy the original codes of creation and overwrite the codes of corruption. So you can be doing that whilst you're working in the world, and using something in the world as a very beautiful tool that you can extend the message through. You know, I wish I had a few more technological skills actually to get the message out. Some people would be running financial things where they can actually generate a lot of money and eventually pour the money into systems that you might be creating. You might be creating a computer system or a networking system. You might have the technical information. You might also have other friends who are running pretty good ability to speak it or to convey it, and you can, you know, teams of guys can network together and get the message out there. You know, there's a lot of ways that things can work together for the good of all in a living system, even though we are entrapped here in a world of distortions, you know. So there you go, Mind FX. I see that you're a very, very deep thinker and very tuned to the spiritual nature of things. And I really thank you for your, well, the way and the ease with which you talk about it, you know. A lot of people get their backs up, you know, when I start talking my message, but you seem to be just taking it in your stride and picking the bits that you would like to use. It's good. That's the good thing about it. Just take what you want, everyone, because every teaching and every thing that we're doing in this world has fallen out of a higher teaching, and there's still elements of truth in it. Even though we're participating in a distorted field, there are elements of truth in what we're doing. And eventually, if we do the original teachings, we will find that no matter what we're participating in, it will start to connect back in to the life flows of the original energy matrix of ascension and realignment mission and perpetual motion life. Everything clicks back in as we streamline our works, you know, as we streamline our thoughts. So it's good. Hand over the mic, you guys, and thanks, beautiful ones, for listening. I've really enjoyed talking, and I do enjoy talking. So anyone want to make a comment or got any questions or anything else, I might be able to help, whatever. So come on up. Thank you.